Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday morning. Okay, today was kind of an easy day. It didn't go definitely like I kind of thinking it would, that's for sure. This is my thumbnail for the day. 2 trades, that's all. I've closed everything down. I'm not trading beyond. Yesterday I had $503 in the video, but then I went back in at the FOMC meeting, clipped another 401 to make it 904 for the day. Yep, I'm happy. Fortunately, I'm not going to go in and edit a video that I've already posted, which makes me wonder about other times. There's times I've went back in and I haven't posted a video, but I'll go back in and trade more and lose some. I just don't post a video. Or I just never posted a video. Because I didn't post one doesn't mean I didn't have one. But a good chance I just forgot. Anyway, 328 is the day. First trade, 3 contracts. Little over a minute. The second trade was for 2 minutes. Even though that says 2, it should say 3. Blooper reels galore around here. Anyway, I went down to 1 contract for a reason, and that's what I'm going to talk a little bit about, because I sure wasn't expecting it to drop down, but I forget it's end of the month, getting close to it, and usually the last week of the month when all the selling goes on. I'm not sure there's going to be a Santa Claus rally this year. Probably had it earlier. Well, when did we have it? Probably like 12.6 to about 12.8. That was our Santa Claus rally. And that's nothing but a bounce up and then a continuation down. Elon Musk, Cathie Wood selling a lot of Tesla. Everybody's following suit. But anyway, let's see here. Next thumbnail. Here's what I saw pre-market, which of course it didn't do. These are monkey bar charts. Some people call them market profile. Yeah, I guess they are if you really want to stretch the truth a little bit. These are nothing but monkey bar. Got volume on this side, price action at these price levels on this side. If it was real market profile, you'd see a lot more, like with 951, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And anyway, not even going to that. Pre-market high, pre-market low is right up under this hard level of 975. Pre-market low is 974. Wednesday close yesterday is right up above that, the white line, and then the November low is right here. So these are, I thought, would be really hard levels. Okay, the pre-market kind of comes up to 996 before it starts, and I figured if we can get above this 1,000 level and then get to the pre-market high, whew, there's a lot of juice up there. Pre-market high of 1,003.82. From there, they got 9 EMA on the daily chart, 1,007.2, and then 50 at 1,017.75. Over here, when you look, this is Thursday, yesterday, Wednesday, Tuesday. There's a lot of juice up here. Double single prints, double print below it. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this. The fact that it's, I'm going to, spoiler alert, it actually got as low as 832 today, and that's way down here. I don't even want to speculate, but of course all that selling by the big daddies and mummies, this would have been nice. I would have loved to have spent right in here from 107 to 175, and if I got in here, I mean, I was planning on a much bigger day, but it is what it is. So having done that, I got one more here. Here's the pre-market. The levels I'm looking at. There's another hard level up there at 1025, 1,000, 975. This right here I thought would be so congested. It'd be spend a lot of time. Actually, looking at a chart, it actually spent from 9 o'clock to around 9:30, and then it decided to continue. But anyway, right here at 996 is where we open. I was expecting a little trouble up here, but once we got above that, up to there, I was singing praises, let me tell you. But it didn't happen. Instead, I got my 2 trades, 328. I'm happy. So Having said all that, let's see. This is where the trade started. We're at about 996 around here, and then down we go. Not at all what like I said, not at all, but I'll take the money and run. Thank you, Steve Miller. So getting out of these here, start this video up. Okay, I'm about to get right into it. Edited a lot of stuff here at the beginning. Again, I really wasn't expecting this. In fact, I could have entered here and have been a great entry, but no. I'd rather err in caution than foolishness.
Order filled.
1355. 3 contracts. Definitely pulls back against me. Of course, I'd expect nothing less. 837. I had to endure a wiggle here. Notice I had my limit on right there, and that's where this right here keeps coming up. I figure if I was market, I'd have been getting great. I'm just glad it kept going up. There's times I'm spending with this, am I going to try and grab a midpoint or something? And I just, like right there, I could have, I amazed myself. Now I'm realizing, oops.
Order filled.
So there I go. But at least I got out 210. I was actually thinking of stopping because I figure this thing's going to bounce somewhere and just head upward. But no. I think I've realized after this video and looking at the video before I am presenting it right now is that Santa Claus rally, if it comes, it's going to come quick. Kind of like a liquidation break, only in the opposite direction, up. Okay, I'm about to fast forward to my next trade at 8:48 Central Time in 29 seconds. 8:45 right now. Things you don't really think about at the time. Look at all these tails. No matter what you get in, it's going to come back against you. You get a breakout like right here and poof, up it goes. Can you handle it? Here's another one. I broke it a low. By the way, this is the Wednesday close right here. Again, people jumped in, another breakout, and poof, we're up, what is that, 973 up to 979, 980. Can you hold on that long? That's where years ago as a position trader, man, I love days like this. Look at a 5-minute, 15-minute chart, just hold, watch the charts, look at the daily, weekly, even the monthly, and see what direction you're looking at. Christmas is a little bit different. Now we're going to whip it right back down. November low, the lowest day of November was 978.6, so that's right up in this area. Next down is Wednesday close, 976, which we're just closing through. 976 close. Yeah, of course, then we got 975, a hard, and it's just kind of cutting through that like butter. 974, pre-market low. Now we're really low. This would have been a, if people are like me, they're probably looking at that like the alert that just went off and said, do I get in or is it going to hammer it back up again? One more candle to go. Then, of course, when I get in, another wiggle green small candle. And that's why I went to one contract. just because my last trade kind of did that a little to me, although I got the better end of that deal. Trading is always going to be, how much can you stomach? Okay, I'm getting close to getting in. I don't remember exactly if I get out on that break from there or not. 8:48, 29 seconds. Of course, I should be getting in about there. Or if I waited, yeah, there I go.
Order filled.
1825, one whole contract, a put. This is a 2-minute trade. Being it is a 2-minute trade, I'll just fast forward 30 seconds there. In fact, why don't we do that again?
Order filled.
In momentum trading, you can sometimes, as this thing's rising hard, you can click that, even though it just sped up there. Click that and then hit sell, and you'll get it, and you get a good fill if it's still momentum is still heading in that direction. Anyway, my day's done. About another 8 seconds here. Hope your day was good. Green. I salute you if you made more than mine, and I guarantee that probably wasn't all that hard, considering the day if you were looking at a downward bias. I wasn't. That's the way it goes. Some days it's like that. $328 for the day, and if I didn't say it, yesterday was 503, but then I came back right as the FOMC had just started. In fact, I was in the driveway and I was like, it's 1 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock. My time. 2 o'clock Eastern, and it's like I got to get in there, so I booted everything back up like I wanted to, and sure enough, 2 hard bars, green going up, and I caught the second one almost all the way up for another 401, which made 904 for the day. Sure, others made more than that, but hey, whatever. I'm green, I'm happy. Okay, it's Dio ODWO, out. See you next time. Good luck.